Let's take a look at an example of how easy it is to use SOLIDWORKS Simulation Standard to zero in on the best design. In this example, we have a mounting bracket with two different design concepts. One has a single web design and the other has a double web design. We need to determine which design is best. Simulation is about testing designs on the computer, so the first step is to pick the type of test we want to do. You can see we have a few choices. For this example, we'll focus on static strength. It's just a matter of applying the load and holding the part in place as we would for a real experiment. In this case, we're going to apply a fixture. There are several ways we can go about doing this. We can fix our part at this bolt hole, or we can apply a fixture that more closely represents the real life application, like this cylindrical face. With the load, we can conveniently use geometry to specify the location as well as the direction. We're going to apply a 20 kg or 200 Newton load on the cylindrical hole at the end of the bracket. That's all there is to testing our part. We select Run and SOLIDWORKS Simulation quickly gives results. So you can see with the double web design that we have a stress of just over 12 megapascals on the web. What about the other concept? If we change to the single web concept, we can take advantage of the simulation study we just created and make a copy using copy study command for this configuration. We only need to click on Run to get the results. It will automatically mesh the model and get our results in a couple of seconds. We can see that for the same applied load, we have a peak stress of 9 megapascals. This design represents over 25% increase in strength with a 20% reduction in weight. Clearly the single web design is the best option. SOLIDWORKS Simulation Standard includes fatigue analysis, and as this design will see repeated loading, a quick fatigue check will give insight to whether we should look further into this failure mode. Seeing that fatigue is not a concern, we know we've got our best design idea. With SOLIDWORKS Simulation Standard, it's simple and easy to see which design path you should take early in the design process. To find out more, contact SolidX today.